Feels so good to be on the ice. Woo! Welcome back to another video of Smith's Fishing Outdoors, and today we're on the ice. First time out on the ice. We're on about that much, about 3 inches or so. We're gonna set up some tip-ups here and jig around for some perch or bluegills, whatever you can find here. Just had a mark right away as soon as I put my Vex down in this hole. So, what I'm using for a rod here is a straight drop with a straight drop reel. Really light rod. I don't even feel like I'm holding a rod right now. Real nice. See if I can get some of these fish to eat and set up some tip-ups. Don't see anything right now. Interference and stuff down there. Alright guys, welcome back. Again, welcome back to ice fishing. Did the intro here. Drilling some holes. And yeah, 2022 ice season. It's exciting. Out here on about 3 inches of ice. Here. Get out here. Set up a few tip-ups here and there, so we can catch a pike or something. We're gonna be jigging for perch and walleyes. So set up some tip-ups here. We're gonna be hole hopping for some perch or bluegills or whatever you can find. Alright guys, when you're coming out here to these early ice missions, like if it's your first mission, I would advise not going by yourself because you don't want to fall through the ice by yourself and not be able to get out. So you always gotta have your spud bar, carry around a drill. I like to drill holes instead of a spud bar, but make sure you have someone with a spud bar. GoPro's shutting off here. Make sure you have the proper clothing. Like I got my ice armor float suit. And you got your float suit, so you have to have everything, and make sure that I don't know, you gotta be careful when you're striking ice. Don't go to areas that you're not comfortable with going towards. If there's a wet spot in the ice.
Yeah, we're fishing water right now. It was open 4 days ago.
Yeah, we're sitting on 2.5, 3 inches of ice, which is not the most ideal, but it's
solid,
good, strong ice.
Right.
I think actually in this spot on the other side of this crack, we're sitting at about maybe 3.5, 4, because it might have froze up a little earlier than the other stuff out there. So let's grab our shiner here. I'll grab a bigger one. Right there. Hands are a little cold. Came from putting musky suckers on to putting shiners on in about 2 weeks.
Got our first tip up for the year. Hooked up.
Deal. Still rookie at this right now, this time of the year. Gator.
Nice job. Nice
Pikey.
job.
Nice. We've had it where we've been fighting a pike and we have like 7 guys around a hole and it starts sinking. didn't get done setting up the tip up. Now we gotta set up this one again. Can't even get the minnows in.
Find my phone.
It's really spinning. What? Probably circling back. Yeah, we still on there. Look at that. Spin.
Spinning. Got him? No?
No way.
How did you lose him?
Oh god. The other one's up. Just got out, got all this tip up set up, and I'm jigging now. Hopefully catch some sort of fish here. I know there's perch, maybe walleyes, I don't know, bluegills, whatever. Hopefully get a couple here. I was just running around with a scooper, punching these holes out, kind of shaking the minnow, and this one popped up. Are you serious?
Popped you and dropped you, huh?
Took
a minnow. He's got stolen.
Oh, he was spinning. It's a good sign though. Hopefully they'll start biting again. Oh, he probably just dropped it. Got him? Yep.
Hiker?
Kinda feels like it. Got to see him yet. Nice pike.
Eater?
Probably. Looks like it's maybe 26, 28. At least what I saw of his back. Oh, yeah. Not a bad one.
Yeah.
Right in the corner. Pull out the hemostat.
Always keep a hemostat handy.
Yeah, we wouldn't have a hemostat, we wouldn't be able to set these tip ups up. Forgot our depth bombs.
This has been spinning all the way across the lake here. She's there. Looks like a little weight. Got him?
Yep,
Hooked up.
it's not very big.
Oh my goodness.
Jumbo perch.
We got a perch.
Big perch.
Yep. Dandy.
10.
Yeah, dandy.
Not the target species, but that's what we were targeting them for jigging. Alright guys, we had a fun day out here. A couple hours actually out on here the first day out on the ice. I had a blast. I was really itching to get out on the ice watching old ice fishing videos back at home, sitting on the couch, but finally we got ice. So stay tuned for more ice videos to come. We're gonna start getting in some bluegill fishing and some ice walleyes. We just did a little bit of pike stuff today, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next adventure.